Now it's an interesting day. We are finally here.
Yeah, we finally made it, and that is the key for the locker. This is our storage, and yeah, right now we are going to be opening our door.
We are so excited. We open the gate. Still here, even if it's dirty. Oh, look at that.
Yeah,
It's not that dirty, which I thought.
Yeah, and it's tires. We have to fill up a little bit the
pressure.
tires, the pressure, and there is
no wet.
Small drops on the ground there, but not that much. This is not from our truck. Oh, our home!
We are so happy.
So,
let's open.
I'm curious about how's the smell in the truck in the back, because yeah. Okay. So here it's closed. So no chance for insect to get in. Yeehaw! First check I had to do is checking the oil of the engine. If this is okay, I could start the engine and yeah, charge the battery in the back. I hope the battery in the back is okay. First sight shows that it is just on 3 volt. That's much too less. Hope the battery is not damaged. So let us check the
Engine oil.
Engine oil. First. I hope that one is also working. The hydraulic. Yep.
So I check if it's okay, but it should be enough space up here. Yeah, that looks good. I do have a paper here. A stronger one, if you want.
Yeah. So we have to fill up the water.
That's not too bad.
No, below the minimum.
Yeah, but it could worse. So
It should be not that deep.
I think so. It was leaking.
Yeah.
I go on the opposite.
Yeah, all is okay. Oil is okay.
That looks good. Zero power. Go and have a look. So we do have some land power right now, and we hope we can charge the battery. We have first to charge our batteries before we can switch on the light here inside and try to start the main engine. So one light is going.
Ja. Die Lithium-Batterie ist perfekt. Die Starterbatterie ist am Arsch.
Oh no. Our main battery is completely flat.
Starterbatterie perfekt. Kofferbatterie perfekt, 100%. Die Lithium hat 0 entladen. 0.
Nothing? So the lithium battery is still good, very good, like before when we left. Let's see if we can fix it today, because we do hope that we can sleep today in our Duro. To put our stuff in. Where should I start? See you later. What are you doing here?
Checking the oil
levels. Oh, the oil. So no quick power nap?
No.
No. I brought some nice kitchen thing because cooking is very important for me, and Thomas enjoyed that too. So soya sauce. Okay, maybe it's still good. Let's see. We will find some other nice stuff. Thai curry pasta. Yummy. And the rest is lemon juice. Holy moly. And one Coke. So our fridge is almost full, huh? Funny, 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 funny. We need at least 12 volt. And it is 3.25 on the main battery. Cleaning stuff. And t-shirt. What a mess. Maybe the GoPro? It's getting better and better. But the main battery is still flat. Now, important. Good job. The old ones are out and the new batteries are in. Well done. Woohoo! Okay. And how is the feeling?
Yeah, cool.
That was the wrong one.
Ja, hier, no, zebra.
Oh. Okay.